Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the 3 most popular web browsers in LENOVO 10e Chromebook. So the first one, Google Chrome. In this web browser, click on the three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. That's it. The next one, oh sorry, not this one, the next one, Firefox. Open new tab and just click on the Zero mask. If the background is purple, that means you are into Incognito mode. The last one, Opera. Click on the three-dot icon. Oh sorry, click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.